shell down and pigeon right if you want to clean up, you know. Yeah man, but clean the pigeon, why enjoy that place same way. Yeah man guys, so see pigeon here. Yeah man, I want to get him clean up and now, you know. Yeah man, remember in the previous video I showed you 2 pigeon. I want this, so I get him clean up, make some pigeon soup with him. Yeah man, so get him part-time jacket. Yeah man guys, so say process, you know. Now I'm going to show you that we make when you mash up too much blood. Yeah man. So I go and get him all-time jacket. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the video. And for new to the channel, big up, and for there a long time, enough respect and continue to support. In the video, while the baking, right? While do a plain cake. No person don't know that you know. Yeah man, we just use the butter and all that stuff. I'm showing the ingredients them. Because I'm showing the because so you know what the video all about already. You see me? So I'm going to jump into the video now and show you what I'm going. Alright, first guys, I'm going to get out of the way. See the pigeon here from earlier. So that I'll go deal with it in my next video. Yeah man, I pigeon this. So look out for that video. I do some pigeon soup, some red peas pigeon soup. So only can stay tuned for that. Alright, so put that aside. We have butter, sugar, egg, milk, and flour. So first, if you don't know, we'll get the sugar and the butter sorted out. So when I see what the process is, I'm show you what I go on. You see me? We have to know them things, you know, guys, because no person don't know, you know, them style here. We have to know them style here. When I have to go to the supermarket and pick up a cake mix, we can just stay home and do a plain cake without go to the store, you know, just take up some ingredients and do a thing. So yeah, that's our ingredients and what we are working with today. Alright, so remember guys, like the video, share. Alright, so first we'll add the chiffon butter. I think you want more than, I don't think you want more than that. Sugar. Guys, this is the hard part, you know. I think you want more than that yet. So when mix up the butter guys, or the dough or whatever they call, I taste it, and if I want more sugar, I add sugar. Now the butter I wouldn't do. It's a hard part now guys. Take time. See that cream out already? So what I do with it. Adding with egg. Add in some milk. Some more not yet. Now look the spice, we add a little cinnamon extract. Now add more that I don't want to spoil it. Add in the flour now, you know. Mix and mix and mix. All for cake. Cake. Stir him up, you know. It look creamy and nice, guys. Yeah, man, plain cake that. So, I'm take a simmer now and see if you want a little more sugar. And guys, with the flour I use, I'm not use baking powder. That's why I don't put the baking powder in it. I'm gonna take the salt tonight, but I'm gonna take the salt last. You know, because you don't know, say the butter being a bit of salt already, so we don't want to add salt first and then the salt and it tastes good. So add the salt last. Man, taste it now. See if you want a little more sugar, then add in the sugar. That's guys, watch your ads, guys. That's how we make our revenue, you know. Yeah, man. Watch your ads. Alright guys, the baking tin already, butter already. So guys, oven time now for this not no time for done. Same temperature like a regular cake, same time. Just preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Put in the oven for about half an hour or 25 minutes. And like that, I don't know, say this not no time for done. Alright, so soon when the hand is finished. Yeah man guys, the cake here, done now. Yeah man, cake done, the plain cake. Stay warm, same is when it cool down, I cut it, I'm showing you what I go, but I eat this man, I cake this. Yeah man, I cake this. So I'm gonna say if you know the style here, you know, you have to, what do you say, turn you on make fashion. Yeah man, so today, turn me on and make fashion.